Bonjour, c'est Madame Sacco et aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre les adjectifs irréguliers à la page 279. Bon, en français, il y a quelques adjectifs qui sont irréguliers et parmi ces adjectifs sont les adjectifs beau, nouveau et vieux. So, we have some irregular adjectives in French and among them are beau, nouveau and vieux. Beau, ça veut dire handsome or beautiful. Okay. Nouveau, new, which is actually kind of a cognate. Vieux, old. Alors, beau, nouveau, vieux. So, these adjectives are irregular in two ways. The first way is that they come before the noun they modify instead of after. And the second is that the forms are irregular. So, again, before, remember last year we learned that these were called bags adjectives, beauty, age, goodness, size. And they do have to do with beauty, age, goodness, size, because beau, beautiful, age, vieux, old, or new, okay, for age as well. So they come before the noun. The other thing that makes them irregular are the forms. They don't follow the just add an E or just add an S format that we learned before. So, what do we do with them? So the masculine singular, beau, becomes belle if it's feminine singular. So beau, belle, beau, masculine singular, belle, feminine singular. Beau, however, does become belle, B-E-L, in front of a masculine singular noun that starts with a vowel, or an H for that matter. So, for example, I might say un beau garçon, a handsome boy, but I would say un bel homme, a handsome man, because of the H. The masculine plural is beau with an X. The feminine plural is belle with an S. In French, remember we learned the rule with the nouns that anything that ends in a U, you add an X to make it plural. Well, that's where this rule comes in with the adjectives as well. So we have beau, belle, un beau garçon, un bel homme, une belle femme, de beaux garçons, des belles femmes. Nouveau works the same way. We have nouveau as our masculine singular. Nouvelle, N-O-U-V-E-L-L-E, is our feminine singular. Nouveau in front of a masculine singular noun that starts with a vowel or an H. We have to have nouvelle, like novel, for new. Masculine plural, nouveau. Again, it's pronounced the same. There's no change in the pronunciation. We just add the X to make it plural. Nouvelle and feminine plural. So nouveau, nouvelle. Nouveau, nouvelle. No change in the pronunciation, just a change in the spelling when you write it. And again, they come before the noun. Un nouveau pull, des nouveaux pulls. Une nouvelle voiture, des nouvelles voitures. And lastly, we have vieux, or old. Again, vieux, masculine singular. And then vieil, this is a harder one to pronounce, so vieil, a masculine singular in front of a vowel or an H. Vieux, masculine plural. Note that the masculine singular and the masculine plural are the same because the masculine singular already ends in an X. The feminine, vieil, and the feminine plural, vieille. Un vieux, je ne sais pas, un vieux pull, an old sweater. Un vieil homme, an old man. Des vieux hommes, some old men. The X's have liaisons. Une vieille femme. So try this again. Une vieille femme. Vieille. V-I-E-I-L-L-E. You probably need to work on that spelling because it can be confusing. Des vieilles femmes, some old women. All right, so what you need to do next, you need to do the Kia. You need to work on learning the different forms of these three adjectives. They follow some rules. I mean, the beau and nouveau are basically the same if you look at it. Vieux works a little bit different. But right now what I would do if I were you is study them and then go do the Kia. Bon, merci et au revoir.